Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. We're back with another fruity fresh look, and today's fruit was banana. I thought it was very appealing to do this makeup. I played with some freckles and put some green on my inner corner. If you are not already subscribed, make sure to do that and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Okay, so my brows are on. I'll link that video in the cards above, and I primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape and set that in place with the Coty Airspun powder. So first I'm going to take Sweet Spot from the Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette, and I'm going to buff that all throughout my crease and pack it onto my lid. Now with Jasper from the So Jaded palette, I'm going to line my eyes and give myself a little wing. Now I'm just going to wet my brush and go over that again to intensify the brown. And now I'll do the same thing on my other eye. Gonna prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'm putting on a light layer of the First Aid Beauty Triple Protection Skin Tint. And now I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer to cover up any other discoloration. Setting that concealer in place with the Coty Airspun powder. Adding some definition into my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette and Dulce de Leche. Warming up the complexion a bit more with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And using just a little bit of the Tarte blush in Party. I'm hitting the high points of my face with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in Be My Highlight. Redefining my big freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. And then going in and giving myself some more freckles with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, because bananas have freckles too. I'm going back in with Sweet Spot. I'm gonna run that on my lower lash line. For a pop of green, I'm taking No Scrub on my inner corner. Now I'm just gonna pop a little bit of Mary Jane on top of that green. Now I am wetting a liner brush and tapping into Jasper, and I'm just going to give myself little itty bitty freckles on the inner and outer portion of my eye. Okay, so I actually went and I put a couple freckles over some of my natural ones with that, and now I'm just blending them out a little bit with a small velour puff. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I used the Ardell Wispies and the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive and then just meshed my lashes with those with the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara, and I popped that on my lower lash line as well. And now I'm gonna put on some of the Sephora Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel in Pin Up Pink. And that's the finished look. Thanks a bunch for watching. I'm gonna make like a banana and split, and I'll see you on Friday.